For you, I love to sing on. Make you not tell me, say I know forget sound. Yeah. Another time when you try me, feelings be gone. Make you not play crazy. All the things that you tell me lately, make a man they wonder, wait, they have on. Yeah, I know my jump my time. Anyhow, spark up my life. Oh yeah, what do you mind? My shawty.
Hello guys, you are welcome back to another interesting video collections. You can see the styles we're showing are for seniors and also for women from the ages of 40 and above, so 40 to 70 years. You can rock any of these styles, and the point of concentration is how does this hair frame your face. If you look at her well here, her face is well framed. This hair sits well on her, and this slick one is a style to go for. It frames the face perfectly, if you ask me. There's another one that is like the salt and pepper, and she looks more respectable going on with this kind of haircut. And this is another one. This is the shaved head. The fact that she paired it with the glasses makes it more classy and more respectable. This is one, and she even did it with the fashion, a coil, and it falls down to her glasses, and she looks spectacular. It frames her face well, almost like the same thing as this one too. It frames her face well. You may say these are for white people, but no, take your eyes away from the fact that her skin is fair and place it on the black skin, you get the same result. The same like this one here, salt and peppered, just a little bit of salt, and you can see it frames her face well. And this one is more like the old school, like in the 70s. But the thing is, the idea is to rock it healthily, not too much. Like, it's almost the same thing with this one now. Not too much effort, not too much stress. Because it's voluminous, you can rock this style. Just wake up in the morning, pour some small little amount of water, shake it, you're ready to go. This is a very simple one, more stylistic. Some of the styles are very close to each other, but as you can see, these are for seniors, women in their 60s, 65, 70s. These styles are recommended for you. And this is another one. She's a busy woman and she doesn't want to spend too much time in front of the mirror and so she chose to rock that style. There's another one, salt and peppered. All right, and the fact that she paired with that bigger earring makes it very impeccable. This is another one. I love the fact that it's very sleek, and then she paired it with a bigger earring, with accentuate the hairstyle she's rocking is commendable. And this is another one, the salt and peppered. It looks absolutely beautiful. Like we always say, when you rock short hair with bigger earring, it makes a lot of sense. Now she's pairing her own with glasses, but she made sure the two sides are lowered. That's like a tapered cut. And this is a very sleek finger coils to make it lay slick on the head and frame her face perfectly. This is exactly the same thing here now, and you can see the fact that she's using this color of lipstick makes it even more adorable. All the women in this video absolutely are killing with these styles. I love from the model 1 that we started, model 2, model 3. I think we should be at model 15 now, if not 20. All right, all the women in this video are killing it with the styles. I just love the fact that this woman is rocking with a pair of glasses. If you're rocking short hair and you do it with a pair of glasses, it's presentable, it's remarkable, it's beautiful. Look at her again here. So the whole idea is, please make it as simple as possible. All right, do a style that you wouldn't have to spend so much time in front of the mirror. Add your glasses and you are good to go. This is a nice Pixie coil. She just used the eco styling gel to touch the front, and she's ready to go. I love the richness of this look. It makes her look very rich and very convincing, expensive looking. Do is a low maintenance short hair. This another one, it frames her very well. Yes, a professional or a house woman, a mother in the house can rock that style, including this style too. All these are simplistic styles to bring out your glam. I want to stop to talk, but then this style just keeps coming. These are beautiful, beautiful, amazing. Oh my God, I love these. With bigger earring, you can never go wrong. Patek to the left, that is combined with glasses. And she brought it all front, all right? The style is just well done. It frames her face perfectly. And this is another salt and pepper style. Well, these were the ones we've been seeing as salt and pepper style, which look very good on these women in their 50s, 60s, and 70s. I like the slick look, and it's very slick like this. But what they did in this part, they decided to put a pattern just to add a different dimension to it. This is another slick one, but then they use a bigger comb to, create those viral spiral marks on it, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Finger coils is a style to go for anytime, any day. You can rock finger coils at any time at all. Look at her looking like a $1 billion babe with low maintenance short haircut, but paired with glasses, and it makes sense. Look at the bigger earring on her, low maintenance haircut again, and then she looks absolutely simple and stunning. Amazing styles, if you ask me. Now, when African women or women decide to rock this kind of styles, I can't say anything but thumbs up. Thumbs up to all of you who have come to discover this channel. If you have been trying to get your confidence back, you've been trying to boost yourself back, you've been trying to recover yourself, you've been trying to, keep things going for yourself, and you trust and you believe that you're doing so well, you don't need anyone's validation to tell you how beautiful you are. Rocking the hairstyle you want, it mustn't be long. You're going to still, make a statement wherever you're going. And that is what this channel is set up for. If you have discovered this channel, thank you for being here. See you on the next one as we bring another interesting and glamorous styles. See you and remain in good health. God bless you. Bye. Remember to subscribe, please. Thank you.
But when the money long, you know fit to think we dey party day long. Obsessed to my morals, concerned to my liberty. Options